What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin today because we got some big stuff going on in the technicals and we got some stuff going on in the news side of Dogecoin. So we're going to go over that. But remember, please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the algorithm. And also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And also, check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. You can take that money and put it straight in Dogecoin if you want. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. So let's get straight into it with Dogecoin. As you can see here, we were going down on this little downtrend here, but now we're actually going up on an uptrend and we're heading right toward this resistance line of 2450. So now that we're heading towards this resistance, it looks like we don't have too much momentum going up there. Like it's not like a huge shoot straight up to 2450. It's going slowly. It's like a slow slope up to 2450 right now. So hopefully we can actually break this resistance here, but it kind of looks like we're going up there slowly. So I'm going to go over this technical analysis here with Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin price looks to climb 30% while crypto exchange gets sued over Doge. So yeah, there's huge stuff going on here. Now, Dogecoin price consolidates above the 23.0 support level, anticipating a massive rally. And also, CoinSeed Exchange gets fined $3 million for converting customers' funds into Dogecoin without their consent. I guess they're really supportive of Dogecoin, right? Even if it's legal. Now, over here, a breakdown of the 19.3 demand barrier will invalidate the bullish thesis. So, they're saying if we go below 19 cents, it's going to invalidate our bullish thesis that we're going to eventually end up going up to 26 and then 28 cents, and then up to there to 31 or 33 cents. So that will be invalidated if we go below 19 cents. So Dogecoin price is holding up above a stable support floor after a brief retest. However, Doge is likely to retrace lower before a new uptrend kicks in. So this is what they're talking about. They're about to retest this 2450, like I was saying, and we were heading towards our previous 22-cent support, but now we're actually heading towards our 2450 resistance. But they're saying it's going to be short-lived, pretty much. Now, New York AG shuts down crypto exchange. So, New York Attorney General Letitia James shut down CoinSeed Incorporated, a cryptocurrency exchange. The reason behind this decision comes as the company converted the customers' funds into Dogecoin and alleged that it violated the Martin Act. So on September 9th, the court issued an order to pay $3 million in fines, shut down the exchange, and appointed a permanent receiver who will control the exchange's website and protect investors' interests. So this action from the authorities comes after receiving many complaints in February where users' accounts holding multiple cryptocurrencies were converted to a highly volatile cryptocurrency Dogecoin since its peak at 74 cents, blah, blah, blah. So this is probably going to happen to Coinbase as well, because remember what happened with Coinbase and Shiba Inu just now. That's definitely something that calls for an attorney general somewhere to help out the whole Shiba Inu army. But anyways, this is the actual article here if you want to actually go over it. So New York shuts down crypto exchange on accusations of unlawfully converting Dogecoin funds. So yeah, this actually happened. This is huge. And then they have the whole thing here. We're going to go over that. We're going to go over what actually happened. But first, we're going to keep going over this technical analysis. So anyways, Dogecoin price prepares for a run-up. Now, Dogecoin price rose 5% over the past 24 hours after briefly tagging the 23-cent support. So over here, you can see the Dogecoin levels that they're talking about. Said we rose about 5%. So yeah, we're up a little bit, but we're still down 3.16% for the last 7 days. So we still got some more to go with Dogecoin. We still got some more work to do. Now, while this retest is bullish, the pullback is far from over. There is a high chance Doge might slice through this barrier and retest 21.3 demand zone before kicking a new uptrend. So they're saying we're probably past this 21-cent area right here, where I have this support line, before we actually decide to start on another bullish thesis. So don't know how low we're going to go, if we're going to actually go all the way down to this 18-cent support, but hopefully we don't, because that's pretty low. But if we do, I'll just end up buying a lot of Dogecoin anyway. Now, regardless of where it bounces off, Doge is looking to a climb of 30 cents. However, this accent is not without hurdles. So yeah, however, we are going to go up to 30 cents, they're saying, all the way up here. But first, we need to retest this so we can build some more momentum. We need to retest that 21-cent resistance and a little bit lower so we can build some momentum to just rage up to 30 cents. And we have some potential to do that. Assuming Dogecoin price starts its new leg up from 23 cents, it will encounter the 25-cent and 26-cent resistance barriers. Flipping these ceilings into platforms will open the path to a retest of 30 cents. So they see this pattern happening, and I also see the same pattern happening with the Dogecoin whales. This Dogecoin whale came in at the on the 12th with $1.3 billion of one purchase, $1.3 billion on the 12th of this month. This Dogecoin whale came in today with a one-time purchase of 18.5 million. And then this Dogecoin whale came to today with 20, or on the 10th, actually, not today, with 25.3 million. So Dogecoin whales are actually starting to do their one-time purchases again, huge orders, which actually indicates a bullish indication. So anyways, further increase in buying pressure will push the meme cryptocurrency to 30 cents, constituting to a 30-cent asset. So just like I was showing, more whales and more people are buying into Dogecoin, which is causing Dogecoin to rise. But first, we got to retest some support before we actually rise. So in some cases, the Dogecoin price might extend this upswing to the next barrier at 32.8, 32.8 being right up here. Now, we also have, right up here, right across from this consolidation area would be 32.8. And then we also have something else inside Dogecoin. On the other hand, if Dogecoin fails to bounce 23-cent support, it will indicate increased selling pressure in a highly bearish case. So, Dogecoin price might even retest the 21.3 demand floor. However, a breakdown of the 19.3 foothold will create a lower low and invalidate the bullish thesis. Like I was saying, if we go all the way down here to about 19 cents, right where I got this minor support, that means that it will invalidate the bullish thesis, and then we'll go all the way down to our major support of 18 cents. So hopefully that does not happen with Dogecoin, but anything's a possibility. So even looking at the technical analysis on Yahoo Finance, it's still something similar to what we just now looked at. So as you can see here, we have the first major support at 23.58, like they're saying. And then we have over here the pivot level at 23.87. First major resistance at 24.37. I say 24.50. They also say 24.50 on FX Street. But anyways, 24.37 is pretty close. And then the Fibonacci retracement at 30 cents. And then the other one at 38. But anyways, it's pretty much the same all the way around the board. So, like I said, we're going to go over this and actually what happened with this whole place, or with this whole exchange, and then with the whole New York exchange and all this other stuff going on with the New York Attorney General and this coin seed. Now, I guess they were dedicated to Dogecoin, the way they took all that money and put it in there. But anyways, this is what happened. So the New York Attorney General has secured a court order to officially shut down crypto exchange CoinSeed for charges related to defrauding investors. According to a report from Bloomberg, New York Attorney General Letitia James ordered, the exchange to close, and also $3 million in fines. Amongst a series of other charges, CoinSeed had reportedly been converting its customer funds into Dogecoin without their consent. So in June, CoinDesk reported an account of one user who found his crypto portfolio, which was previously spread across a variety of cryptocurrencies, had been converted into Dogecoin overnight. So the user's portfolio, which was originally worth $48,000, turned into $31,000 in Dogecoin. That's definitely sucks for them. Since February, Assistant Attorney Generals Brian Whitehurst and Amita Singh have reported receiving 170 complaints. Wow. From CoinSeed customers claiming their wallet balances had shrunk by tens of thousands of dollars. Wow. This is definitely terrible. That's why decentralized exchanges are way better than centralized exchanges. Hands down, they're way better. Now, the crypto exchanges run in with the AG's office dates back in February, when it faced charges for selling unregistered securities worth $1 million to support the growth of its business. CoinSeed CEO, I don't even want to say the name, and former CFO, don't even want to say that name either, were also named in the lawsuit. According to Assistant Attorney, and I don't even want to say that name either, they have been completely radio silent. So that's really huge right there. Hopefully the people get back their money. Same thing with Coinbase and Shiba Inu. I hope all those people get their money back too. Now, more stuff going on in Dogecoin with more lawsuits. So battle erupts over the Dogecoin trademark with over half a dozen claims filed with USPTO. So a battle has erupted over who owns the trademark of meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin, according to the Wall Street Journal. So what happened? The Dogecoin Foundation, a Colorado nonprofit formed by cryptocurrency creators and supporters in 2014, is among the half a dozen others to have now filed an official claim with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office on the Dogecoin brand name, as per the report. So Moon Rabbit, a Cook Islands-based company, reportedly filed for Dogecoin trademark in the U.S. and the European Union in May, which is kind of funny because they had nothing with creating Dogecoin. Actually, the Dogecoin Foundation should get the actual trademark for it, in my opinion, and everyone else's opinion as well. So, and then Angel Vericetti, the founder of Moonrabbit, created a new Dogecoin on his company blockchain network and also created another Cook Island-based company called the Dogecoin Foundation after he noticed the original Dogecoin Foundation remained inactive. Obtaining a trademark identifies the source of goods, of services, and provides legal protection for a brand. Why it matters? Created mainly as a joke, blah, 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 blah. Dogecoin's popularity had also several imitators attempting to ride the tailwind of the frenzy, and now they're trying to take the Dogecoin brand name from the original Dogecoin Foundation, which definitely sucks. Hopefully, we can keep this Dogecoin brand name with the original Dogecoin Foundation, and hopefully no one else wins this lawsuit but them. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys. But you remember, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the algorithm. Can't stress that enough. It really helps me out a lot. And also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. So also check that out and check out all the other links I have in the description too. You can follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on Instagram, Spotify, and then Apple Music, and then all that good stuff. So yeah, definitely check that out, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.